Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of locked account on the application of REDnote. We go to settings, then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will scrolling down, and then here we go to this window or this application of REDnote, and you will click here. Then in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.